What's up mga kinhinyero? Our sample problem is from November 2004 CE Board Examination. For our problem, the beam shown is hinged at left end and supported by a flexible cable at right end. Determine the following. A. Tension in the cable. B. Reaction of support at A. And C. Angle that the reaction at A make with the horizontal. Para ma-solve yung tension ng cable, i-take natin yung free body diagram ng beam. Sa pag-take natin ng free body diagram ng beam, ay i-detach natin siya sa lahat ng nakakabit sa kanya. First ay yung cable. I-cut natin yung cable. Dahil kinat natin yung cable, lilitaw ngayon yung internal force ng cable, which is a tension force. I-denote natin na TBC yung tension force ng cable. Ilagay din natin yung equivalent reaction ng hinge support sa point A. For the support at A, meron tong vertical and horizontal reaction. I-denote natin na RAB yung vertical and RAH yung horizontal component ng reaction ng hinge sa point A. Take note that the direction of RAB and RAH are just only an assumed direction. Kapag nag-take tayo ng summation moment at point A equal to 0 and taking all clockwise rotation as positive, makukuha na natin directly yung value ng tension sa cable BC or yung TBC. Dito na lang sa point B natin i-component yung TBC. Ito yung vertical component ng TBC, upward. And yung horizontal component ng TBC ay pakaliwa. Yung 260 Newton force ay i-component natin sa point D. Ito yung vertical component niya, downward. And yung horizontal component naman niya ay pakanan. Ang value ng horizontal component ng TBC ay TBC cosine 30 degrees. Yung vertical component naman ay TBC sine 30 degrees. Yung 260 Newton force ay merong slope na 5 horizontal, 12 vertical. At ang value ng hypotenuse side ng slope triangle na to ay square root of 13. Yung value ng horizontal component ng 260 Newton is 260 multiplied by 5 over square root of 13. Yung vertical component naman ay 260 multiplied by 12 over square root of 13. Mamaya magagamit pa natin yung mga value na yan. Unahin natin i-moment sa point A yung vertical component ng 260 Newton, which is equal to 260 Newton multiplied by 12 over square root of 13. Ang moment arm ng vertical component ng 260 Newton sa point A ay 6 meters. At yan ay magro-rotate ng pa-clockwise sa point A. Since yung horizontal component ng 260 Newton at ng TBC ay magpapass through mismo sa point A, therefore, 0 yung moment ng mga force na to sa point A. Kaya ang magkikreate na lang ng moment sa point A ay yung vertical component ng TBC, which is equal to TBC sine 30 degrees. At ang moment arm ng vertical component ng TBC sa point A ay 6 meters plus 4 meters, 10 meters. Yung vertical component ng TBC ay magro-rotate ng pa-counterclockwise sa joint A. Therefore, negative yung sign niya sa equation na to. Equal to 0. And the value of TBC is equal to 288 Newton. Tension. This is our answer to question letter A. Ang value ng TBC ay 288 Newton. Question letter B. Determine the reaction of support at A. To determine the value of reaction of support at A, kailangan natin munang i-determine yung value ng RAH and RAB. Mag-take tayo ng summation forces vertical is equal to 0. I-take natin lahat ng upward force as positive. Lahat muna ng upward, RAB, unknown, plus yung vertical component ng TBC, ito yun, TBC sin 30 degrees. Na-compute na natin yung value ng TBC, 288 Newton sin 30 degrees. Minus yung vertical component ng 260 Newton. Ito yun. Minus 260 Newton multiplied by 12 over square root of 13 equal to 0. And the value of RAB is equal to 96 Newton upward. Tama yung ating assumed direction. RAB is 96 Newton. Next, mag-take tayo ng summation forces horizontal is equal to 0. I-take natin lahat ng pakanan as positive. First ay yung RAH, which is unknown. Next ay yung horizontal component ng 260 Newton. Ito yon, 260 Newton multiplied by 5 over square root of 13. Minus yung horizontal component ng TBC. Meron na tayong value ng TBC, 288 Newton cosine of 30 degrees equal to 0. And the value of RAH is equal to 149.415 Newton. Dahil positive yung ating answer, ibig sabihin, tama yung ating assumed positive direction, pakanan. It means to say that RA is upward to the right. Ito yung RAH. Ito naman yung RAB. And this is RA. Yung nabuo natin is a right triangle. Using the concept of right triangle, RA is equal to square root of RAH squared plus RAB squared. RA is equal to square root of 149.415 Newton squared plus 96 Newton squared. And the value of RA is equal to 177.60 Newton. And this is our answer to question letter B. For question letter C, determine the angle that the reaction at A make with the horizontal. Ito yung angle na hinahanap natin, yung angle ng RA from the horizontal, which is the angle between RAH and RA. So, eto din yun. I-denote natin to na theta. Using trigonometric function, tangent theta is equal to the side of triangle opposite to angle theta, which is RAB, 96 Newton. Over yung side ng triangle adjacent to angle theta. Ito yun, RAH, 149.415 Newton. Theta is equal to arctangent ng 96 over 149.415. And the value of theta is equal to 32.72 degrees. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Sana ay naging clear sa inyo yung discussion natin na to.